people.
Extra.
We active.
Fleety.
What?
Show off.
Who? Continues. We got the whole gang with us today. Well, tonight. After we left the brunch, now we going somewhere. They said we.
Yo, Lando. Prime time Lando in the building. Shalom, lifestyle tracking. Jamaica running.
Shalom. What's up, people? It's your boy Lando and I am the man. Why you so hype, Lando? Why you so hype? I'm hype, man. It's a beautiful day. The Most High woke me up, Father. I just want to thank you for giving me another day. Bless me with another day. Bring me this far on this journey, Father. Hallelujah. We 39 today, baby. Hallelujah. We 39 today. Today we are 39. And I'm grateful that I made it to 39. It's beautiful. I'm just tracking my progress, and when I look back a couple years, it's not even for y'all, this for me. But y'all just happen to have access. So when I look back, when I turned 39, I'm like, yo, that was good. Document my process. I'm 39 today. It's a beautiful day, man. There's a lot of people that didn't make it on this journey. A lot of people that I've lost. You know what I mean? That didn't make it this far. So this just making it to another birthday, the day I was brought out in this world. I don't take it lightly. Definitely grateful to make it another year, man. It's a beautiful thing, man. So this is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Look, hold on, I gotta close this. That glare, we gotta make sure y'all get the best quality. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me today, right? Just gonna vlog my day. It's hot in here. I'm in my wife's car, by the way, guys. I couldn't find my key. How do you turn this AC on? That's crazy. I drive in the car all the time. I can't turn the AC on. There we go. Okay. So it's now 7:23. Really, I should have been at the house. I've been up since like 6:30. So I'm headed to the gym. This is what I do every Saturday anyways. So I'm going to the gym, knock out the gym. But because I'm behind this week on my workouts, I'm gonna do multiple workouts today. But I'm not gonna be in the gym long. I have to speed it up somehow. So I'm gonna do probably back and shoulders. If I know we don't really go together, but it's going together today. I'm gonna do that, and I might just come and run about 2-3 miles. So I gotta speed it up. That's that. So with the running, they're gonna be my legs also, because I didn't do legs yet. I only worked out one day this week. So I gotta go do, I'm gonna try to knock out 2 different workouts in the gym. Back and. Ooh, I ain't do no bicep. Ooh, I gotta do bicep. We gotta do the bicep. So I'm gonna do bicep in. I'm gonna throw in a little one of one. Yeah, but that's what we're doing, man. Y'all follow me today. We got a couple things planned today, man. My wife and I, we're going to brunch. One of the brunch I'm not really invited to, but it's more of a networking brunch that my wife is going to. You know, that's what we about, man. Making moves, man. I'm grateful just to be in her presence. Hey, grateful just to be in her presence and be alive, man. It's a beautiful day, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. We're going to the gym. We're about to get in. Hey, look, y'all see me eat a lot of food, right? I ain't no best shape. I ain't no fat boy either. So make sure y'all get it in. Health is wealth. All right, people, we are here at the gym. Hopefully my headphones are charged, because I don't know, act like you don't want to charge. Do I got to go buy another headphones? I will go buy another headphone right now. Hallelujah. I'm blessed that I can go do that right now, because headphones are one of those necessary things for the gym. If you don't have that, we don't know. So what are we doing today, Lando? Let's see. Let me look at my workout schedule. I'm gonna try to put something together real quick, cause I wanna touch every body part, muscle. So I don't know, y'all don't know. Right here. I need to get it checked out. The pain I've been having for about a year. I need to start doing pull-ups.
Lion on more, God bless me. Steps from the cap to the gym, energy never less. Jet them swing while me push progress. Travel vlog, food vlog, countryman zest. Steam fish, curry crab vibes at its best. On the highway I glide, me not deal with stress. Positive living, me a move.
Alright people, gym session is done. I'm about to go to this park. It's not full. I didn't get to do a full shoulder, but I touched every muscle. Cause yesterday I did what I did yesterday. What did I do? I did tricep and chest yesterday. I touched today. I touched the back. Pause. I don't know even how that's a pause. Relax yourself. Shoulders for sure, and I touched bicep. Shoulders got the least work. And the sun in there, huh? Shoulders got the least work, but it's all good. You gotta make sure y'all get the best view. Let me see if it, how I look. Now that might make it worse, huh? That sun is out, boy. I think I might run about 2 miles. I ain't running no. Ain't no 3 miles around here. I'm gonna run about 2. About to go knock out a quick run. I gotta do my run. Shoulders only did one workout for shoulders. I was supposed to do more, but I looked at the time and I know I have a time to be back by the house. So I'm gonna spend probably about 30 minutes running. My goal is to run at least 2 miles. But 3 is always where I wanna be at. But yeah. All right. Time to run, you know.
Sunday bells in a distance ring.
Yes, people. Might get ready to get this good running. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all
I felt the weight of a broken land. Try to fix it all with these trembling hands. Then I heard his voice, soft but strong, say, "Child, rest now. I got you all alone." So I lean on grace when peace feels gone. Fall to my knees, keep holding on. He calms my soul, he makes me whole, like rivers flowing through broken stone. Shalom in my heart, shalom in my soul, wrapped in his love, I'm finally home. Mama's Bible by the window pane, pages one from joy and pain. She told me faith ain't just.
Yes, people. The road we say now. Hold on. No copyright views. Da. What's up, people? You know what it is. Your boy Lando, Mr. Primetime. We here again. Wifey and I are going on brunch. We actually have 2 brunch. We have a networking brunch to go to right now. It's more for the ladies, her side of business. But I'm gonna be there, you know, supporting wife. Then after that, we go on brunch. Then after that, sound like they got something planned for me already for later. I didn't know that, but so later on, something no go on. My daughter kind of slipped it out already, but we'll see. And you see, today we're not driving. Floor is not. Who floor is for?
I know.
Okay, floor is not for me. We are the road. Driver. Drive. I got a driver today. Usually I'm the driver. No driving today. No. Come on. All right, people.
Extra.
We active.
Fleety.
What?
In show off.
Who?
You.
A Jamaican, so you know you go already. Yeah, if you have a little bit of, if you don't have a little bit of, you're not Jamaican. I just saw we born.
I don't know what to say about bread.
So we born. You know? Active people, we in the streets.
Fleety.
Mm-hmm. Yo, people, she press gas, you know. I go share drive the car still. They press gas to look a bit too hard for me. I want to do a thing still. Say what's up to the people.
What's up, people?
So what go on?
What up, one?
Oh, you think sit?
I hate that.
I hate that. All right, road people.
This is it. How y'all say it?
That is it.
That is it.
I don't really use that word still, but most people use me here. That is it. You know? Active.
Yeah, we dep on the road. Truck them rolling, blessings overload. From Georgia to Florida, God in my soul. Shalom, shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the vlogs them bold. Culture rich like your Jamaican gold.
Hi, you guys. I'm so excited to show up for Dana for the Pink Angels brunch. I'm so excited. Dana, did you want to say anything about your Pink Angels?
Wow. Well, I didn't know that I was going to be speaking. However, I'm excited that this vision that I've had inside has finally been birthed this morning. It's a movement. It's a project. It's empowering women in a different way. Stay tuned.
Do you guys want to look inside?
Come on.
Forever starts with you. From the moment our worlds crossed paths, didn't know love could move this fast. Every laugh, every tear we shared, built a bond that showed you cared. Through the highs and the lows we grew, every dream felt closer with you. Hand in hand we found our way. Now forever starts today. Oh, and I see my future in your eyes. No more searching, no disguise. Oh, lady in an age, hard to lie.
See you too. I see you too. I see you. I see you too. I see you. I see you too. I see you too. I see you. We. I see you too. I see you. I see you too. I see you too. Everybody hands up. Take a bow. This was Drive By Therapy.
All right, folks. Brunch one done. That was more of my wife brunch, as you can see. I know you just saw that. There was nothing but females in there. I wasn't really in there. I was actually in the car because it was more for the young ladies, but it was on the way to our next spot, anyways. What's the real reason for that event, Shmig? What's that really about?
A woman's empowerment, getting together as women to express things that we could go through everyday life, our struggles, our accomplishments, the good and the bad.
Oh, okay.
It's about womanhood.
Womanhood. You know what's funny? Males don't really have that. You know what? I'm gonna put something on like that, but I'm gonna do it different though. You gotta come in bow tie and suits, and blazers or something, or sweaters. Don't steal my idea. I'm gonna do something like that, man, because it's definitely needed for us as males. We tend to hold things in and not really express ourselves. And you know, when you hold it in, you know, it take over your mental sometimes. That's how a lot of people lose their mind. You know, we go through things, but that's what it is. We head to our next destination, guys. Miami people. Right? I just had to come back because pay by phone. It's gonna be a lot of voiceover in there, but that music is loud. We're gonna see Where's the food? What food is about? You know, we all about the food.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking, Jamaica on me. Prime time Lando, yeah, we dep on the road, truck them road.
You can hear this. But it's a lot of music in here, so it's probably gonna be a voiceover. That's what I'm saying. If it's not clear enough, it's gonna be a voiceover. Let's talk about these fried green tomatoes, people. These fried green tomatoes was the Bombay. Best I ever tasted. I've tasted fried green tomatoes before in Nouveau, Miami. They definitely have it. Let me tell you something, people. Make sure y'all go check out Nouveau, Miami, especially if you like the turn up. It's a vibe for the turn up crowd. If you're a pastor or something like that, I'll leave this one. As you can see, they turn up in there. You know, me and my wife and I are a little bit more chill, but we can ignore it. My wife definitely enjoyed herself. I enjoyed myself. Y'all definitely should check them out for sure. Now let's talk about these biscuits. Oh, these biscuits were so good. These biscuits was good, people. Make sure you order the biscuit, the fried green tomato. All right, people. For my entree, I ordered the deep fried snapper. My wife had the grits over there with the shrimps and the crabs. She said it was okay. My fish, definitely, it was good, but as an island boy, it didn't reach my expectation. As you know, we like our fish crispy. But as you can see, I ate most of it, right? Check them out, y'all. All right, people. Birthday shenanigans continue. Where we going?
Out to eat.
She bugging. I'm full.
You didn't even get dessert.
I don't want no more food.
You not gonna get dessert?
I am stuffed.
Stuffed. You look like you can go a little more.
All right, people. The day continues. You guys are with me. Let's go. Shalom, shalom, people. We back. The day continues. We got the whole gang with us today. Well, tonight. After we left the brunch, now we're going somewhere. They said we're going to do something. Miniature golf or something, so continue. We got one Tafari there. Shamrock right there. Baby girl in the back. Everybody say what's up. Y'all sound so excited. Oh my gosh. They're excited, guys. But yeah, the day continues. You guys are with me. People, we are, well, let me give y'all some light for this. There we go. We're at, what's the name of this place? Something golf. We about to do miniature golf. So my daughter, this is her gift, part of her gift, I guess, top strike for my birthday. So I'm about to go play some golf, man. Tiger Woods around here, you feel me? Tiger Woods around here, man. Hey, green is money.
I don't think you're supposed to be there close.
Okay, let's go.
That's the only way you gonna know when you hit your ball.
Everybody got.
Lando got a ball?
Yes, she got a ball.
What you asking, Shmigga? You want food?
Yeah, so there's 2 courses.
She always asking about some food, y'all. This is the warm-up area for the rookies. Hold?
So you can warm up?
Oh, yeah. Hold that. Hold this. You know, I'm Tiger Woods.
On the first one.
So let me tell y'all something. Y'all rookies, you got to hold, you got to separate your legs about feet apart. Lean forward. Cricket music playing. You don't know about that. That's before your time. You know that?
I played cricket.
You don't know nothing about that.
I
I played cricket in school.
I hear you. Hold that, Angel.
No, that's way too much power.
I was just showing y'all what not to do. What you doing? What? Nigga, let me see what you do. That's a shame. Let me show y'all. Y'all got a Tiger Woods almost. Hold on, man. This ain't it. It's all about the curve.
I cannot be this bad.
Oh, I'm just playing with y'all.
Nobody made the ball yet.
Eh? That foolishness. All right, let's go. Done warm up. Almost.
So let me brief you guys on the rules and the ordinances that we must follow.
Oh, hold on.
Huddle. So this is how we're gonna keep score. For every one that we're at, every course that we're at, or not course, but every like stage we're at, you have to count how many times it takes you to get it in the hole. So if it takes you 8 hits to get into the hole, remember 8 so I can put it on a card. The least amount wins. So if he gets a hole in one, I'm gonna put 1, and at the end it's gonna be a good thing because least amount of points wins. Okay? All right. So nobody cheats, and everybody keeps score of every.
If you don't cheat, you're not trying.
If you cheat, you automatically lose that round. You get 18 points every time you cheat.
All right.
Let's go this way, cause.
All right. Tamika, you hungry? You just ate.
I'm hungry.
What time is it? We just ate about 3 hours ago.
I'm hungry.
I'm actually good, actually.
I just want some French fries. I want like a small bite. Feel a little peckish.
Listen, crib. Watch style. Watch style. Boy. Well, it's gonna be a long video.
Mommy, you in my way. Off the green. It's in my way. My middle finger is so weird.
Oh Lord, good try. Oh wait, huh?
Uh-oh. Almost. Nope. Trash.
Just bounce off the back wall and see what happens.
We're gonna see what I do.
Sometimes it does.
I barely could do it over there, so I don't know about right here. Bruh.
Wait, I gotta do it again.
Oh no, what was that? And it's okay. Come on. This is crazy. It went all the way in the sand. It was doing good too. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this ain't even. Look at this. Nope. That's 2. Come on, Shem. Not no make it in out of the sun.
Good job. Look.
Trash. Time for a pro. Ready?
Oh, good job. So 3, 4.
Come on, Shem. You almost had it. Almost had it. Now, if you miss this, it's going to the world. The world seeing this. Whoa, yo.
I'm not doing other than that.
Good job.
4, 4, 5.
We out here. I'm winning. Angel missed the whole hole about 10 times. Everybody made it. I almost fell asleep, but she finally made it. Oh snap. Oh my gosh. That was
crazy.
close. Where's that, Shem? You can beat her.
I'm gonna put her phone in it.
No.
Now we're gonna pick it out and put it right back.
You look. Okay.
No
Okay.
way. No way.
Oh, that was close. Okay.
No, something. Oh, why everybody getting so close?
And watch I be the one.
Good shots here.
Y'all moving fast.
Getting closer, baby. Pretty cool spot, eh?
Yeah, for sure. I love it. Okay. Boss money. All right, people. End of the night. It's now 11:19. Exhausted. Had a blast today, though. Definitely had a blast. Shout out to everybody that told me happy birthday. Shout out to Angel that told me happy birthday. She blessed me with $1 million. Shout out to Miss Chambers. I haven't spent $1 today, guys. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. I enjoyed my whole day. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Even if you didn't enjoy it, oh well. This is for my records. This is for my records, and I appreciate you guys for tapping in. All the happy birthdays, all the messages I got. I appreciate it. This year I'm turning up. I'm turning up this year. A lot of new videos coming, a lot of new ideas. So y'all stay with me, family. Stay with me. But I had a blast. Tomorrow the events continue, but we're gonna end it right here though. That's a different event. 39. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I look good. I look good. Once again, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. You have anything you want to say to the people? No? Angel, you have anything you want to say? To fire?
Nah.
They tired, and they didn't even go as hard as me.
I'm wore out.
Either way, guys, thanks again.
You forgot to tell me you're the winner.
Oh, yeah. I won the golfing event. But we know that's not a surprise. I'm gifted and talented just like that. We know. But, yeah. We have evidence. I'm out.